Now it's time for the bonus giveaway. For a limited time, we're giving out $750 cash app to our USA viewers for completing a quick survey. To enter, click the link in the description or scan this special secret QR code. If life is difficult for you right now and you're short on cash, what if I made it a bit easier for you by simply watching a video or liking or commenting on it? All you need is a phone and every day you'll earn money as easy as cake. I promise it'll amaze you how making money online has evolved over the years. Yes, it becomes easier, but you'll still have to work your way through it to make a significant amount of money. Financial freedom will be within your reach if you persevere in making money using this method. You will be able to provide for yourself, your family, or even everyone who needs your financial support in today's method. This is an easy-to-use website that is free for all and can be accessed from anywhere on the planet. Let's get started with the video. As you can see, there are a variety of ways to make money online with this platform. One method is simply browsing websites and watching videos and ads. Another method is simply leaving likes and sharing videos to get paid for engaging in social media activity. For example, you can simply watch this video for a few seconds to get paid. On top of that, there are bonus amounts if you like the video or leave a comment. For this method, you can complete simple surveys that are very easy to complete and are suitable for beginners. I'll show you a couple of examples in just a moment. Another method that is a given is signing up for a free account to earn money. Stay with me because I'll be revealing the platform in just a moment, and I'll also be giving away bonus tips in order for us to maximize our earning potential on this website. However, to reiterate, you can make money from this website in any device that you prefer. You can do it on your computer or your smartphone. You just have to choose one or use both to earn more money. So let's get started. Step number 1 is to choose an earning method. You can choose from the presented methods that I showed you earlier. Step number 2 is to begin working on the tasks that have been assigned to you. You can begin earning money right away, and they will send your earnings to your account once you reach the required amount. Step 3 is to obtain money in order to cash out. To register and make money, go to the top of the website and click this button. It will take you to a page where you will enter your email address and password in these boxes as proof. Congratulations! You now have an account. By the way, you can also link your personal accounts here, such as your Google or Microsoft account. The next step is to validate your email address. You will receive an email from the website with a link to verify your account, so keep an eye on your inbox. Before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've loved this video thus far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. Next, return to the dashboard and click on this button right here. It will then take you to a page where you can choose which method you want to use to make money. To begin, click on this button to go to a page where you can start browsing videos and ads to make money. On this page, you will see all of the videos that you can watch in order to make money. Now, all you have to do is browse this page until the timer expires. You can just go around the page, scroll up and down, move around the page, and basically just do anything that will prove that you're not a bot and actually a person trying to get money off of this method. Just remember to keep scrolling and browsing. Don't stay on the same page, and this will let their system know that you're not a bot once the timer expires. As I previously stated, there are numerous ways to earn money here, including writing comments or review, completing surveys, creating accounts, and subscribing to new newsletters. Simply click Earn right here to be redirected to surveys from these platforms where you can earn up to these amounts once you complete them. The website is zareclamy.com, and if you're using a mobile phone, you can download the app from the Play Store. By the way, you can use the referral system to invite friends to this website and earn a percentage of the commission, which is another source of income if you're successful. You can find the referral program of zareclamy.com here and copy your referral link, which you'll provide to your prospective referrals. Since you're still here, I'll show you another website where you can earn cryptocurrency while learning how it works. Go to coinbase.com and click on this button to go to this page where you can earn cryptocurrency while learning how it works. This website is full of cryptocurrency tutorials, and if you watch this video tutorials, you'll earn money. Let's take a look at the start course on this lesson as an example. You can see how it looks here when you click Start Course. There are options of videos that you can watch and earn at the same time, which is about the same in different courses. This website is tailored and it's perfect for beginners who just want to earn some extra money. So check it out. You can even refer to people. As a newbie, you may simply choose whichever strategy you want to generate money from the sites I've provided. You can watch movies, play games, or even complete basic surveys. And that's it. If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos, and if you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video.